Welcome to WebWiz. If you are writing in any program, whether it be on your website, on Photoshop, or in a Word document, you might not be happy with the fonts you have available. If you are looking for a great place to find fonts, look no further. Today, we will be looking at Google Web Fonts, a free font library. So, go to your internet browser and go to google.com/webfonts, and you should be brought to this page. Now, once you get to this page, you will see the entire library of fonts, and I believe that there are approximately 500 plus fonts available. And you can simply scroll through the different fonts that are available. And once you find one, you will select that font. Or if you have a certain font in mind, whether you heard of the name of another font or you're just looking for it, you can go to the search bar and search for a specific font. For example, this font, Petite Formal Script. So you can either just scroll through, look for a font that catches your eye, or search for a specific font that you have on mind. Once you find the font that you want, you're going to have to add that font to your collection. Now, the way that we're going to do this is simply go to this blue button and click Add to Collection. And then you'll see that at the bottom, it should shift from saying 0 font families in your collection to 1 font family in your collection. If you want, you can click this little up arrow to see the font that's added. That's the one we want, Petite Formal Script. And once you have that font in your collection, you can click Download Your Collection. That button. And this window will pop up that will basically just give you the link for downloading the file. So click Download the font families in your collection as a zip file. Should only take a second or two. And then I'm going to go to Finder, or if you're not on a Mac computer, you can just go into your computer and search for your downloads folder and find the file you want. Here's the folder, Petite Formal Script. So now this is in my downloads folder, and what I'm going to do is open it up. There's 2 files in here. There's a .txt and a .ttf. And what you want to do is double click on the .ttf and open that up. And then simply click Install Font. There we go. Then just exit out of that window once you're done. And then that font is in your computer and you can use it with any program on your computer. So for example, let's say you wanted to create a Photoshop file with the font that you just downloaded. We're going to open up Photoshop and create a new file. And then we're going to go to the text tool. And then we should be able to find that font if we search for it. Sure enough, there it is. We can type using that font right there. So, for example, if you wanted to say, this is my text, and it shows up with that font. So that is how to download text with, how to download a font from Google Web Fonts. That's a completely free website where you can find and download any text you want for no cost and use that on your website, on Photoshop, or on a Word document. Thank you for watching this WebWiz tutorial on google.com/webfonts.